Welcome to our kitchen. This is the Amewowors kitchen.
Today we're going to be showing you how we made these lovely ice lollies with 3 simple ingredients.
So that's our strawberries. This one is milk plus salted caramel. It's just an ice cream that we bought and it was left with just a little, and I added whole milk to it. And this is orange juice, so I literally just squeezed
this orange
and sieved it because I didn't want any bits in it, so I sieved it, and that is the juice. These are our ice lolly tubes we're going to be using to make our ice lolly. Wish me good luck. I'm going to be doing it together with the kids, so I just pray and hope that they will not spill out anything. Okay, let's get started.
Hello.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
And let them don't eat it. We don't eat. Oh, careful.
No.
Okay. Today, not today. I'm sorry, this might be a little bit messy because of the kids. You see, Anita want to eat the strawberries. So we're going to start straight away. Anita, wait. So, okay. So we're going to start off by putting our caramel and milk over there. Wait. Anything, wait.
Oh, that's messy.
Yeah, it's a little bit messy. Okay, wait. Today, not today. And then orange. Anything, put it down. Anything, put it down. Okay. This is the orange one. And then we're gonna add, wait. We're gonna add a little bit of the caramel to the orange. Just one. Two actually. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but yummy. Okay, can you tell them about yourself, dear? Tell them about who you are.
Hello, my name's Daya. I'm 4 years old. Welcome to our kitchen.
Okay. Nathan, say my name is Nathan. Okay, he said he's not going to say. Okay, we're going to put the strawberries in this one. Come on. Nathan, do you want to do some? Let Nathan do the rest.
That one. I want to do the biggest one.
Okay, that's good. We did it like that. No. And Nathan has eaten strawberries. No. He's eating the strawberries. Okay. And Nathan, you are not meant to eat it. Sorry, okay? Here, you're gonna put it in, okay? Here, cover it. Yeah, let baby do this one, the one in front of you. Baby, do. Hurry up, put it in. And that's it for you, okay? And Nathan is going to do this one. Let Nathan do it. Nathan, do it this way, like this. Leave it. It's okay. Do this one. Put it here. No, do like that. Hold it like this. Good. Well done. Well done. Last one. Do this one. Do that like that. Then leave it. Okay. Don't press it. You don't need to press it. Okay, thank you. So that's our ice lollies. We're going to put them in the fridge, and then we will show you the results once it's frozen. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, they're ready.
You ready? Good. They had a good nap whilst the ice lolly was in the freezer. We're going to now take them out and see how it looks. Okay, guys, do you want to try and take them out?
Yeah.
Okay, try. Oh my God, it's become a tug of war. Teamwork. Okay. You can't do it. JL, there's nothing good you can't do. Okay, keep trying. Okay, you need help? Okay, let me come and help you guys. Okay, put it down. JL, you did it. You did the first one. Oh, you did it.
Then what if one make it?
Oh. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, try another one. Remove the other one.
Hey.
Oh God. Do it. Ooh, nice. Nice lollies. Okay, let's show them the rest. So that is what we managed to do. I love the orange only one. And I think this one is the caramel only. Yeah, this one is orange and caramel plus strawberries. Okay. So we have caramel and strawberries, orange and strawberries. And then, very nice. You like it? You guys proud of yourself? You made ice lollies. Say yay. Anita, put it down, put it down. Put it down. Well done. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Anita, say thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope we've inspired you with some ideas on how to make homemade ice lollies to enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up. Look how you're doing. Click on the thumbs up to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe and share. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.